not gonna give you money now.
You're not playing with Abby.
I am.
Ito na eh.
Customer. I'm a customer. I want food.
Magluto muna ka ng hotdog.
Lolo. There's a process. Eh, Lo.
Ang sakit mo naman magsalita.
Di mauntog sa upuan.
Ay, Juliana, this go there. Cause for the customer. Not for you.
Baliktad nga eh. Baliktad.
Kasi yung paglagyan.
The customer.
Adi ko man eh, paglagyan lang lulutuin niya sa...
Baliktad. Baliktad lahat yan.
Juliana, it's like this. No, that's not how you do it.
Yan, pabayaan nyo na. Balik na.
Yeah, that's for your...
Baliktad yan.
Cooking. Are you the customer?
Baliktad yung lutuan.
The customer? Yeah, no.
Alabog lang ha. Diyos ko.
Sige.
Mm.
I don't want to.
Lo.
Cook na. Customer, cook your own order. Who's customer?
Me.
Okay, cook your own food. Because the oven is right there. So
Baliktad nga to kasi ng pangalan eh. Oh. Tapos andito yung lutuan. Hindi, tapos lutuan eh. Hindi, magluluto ka, baliktad din.
Ano ba yan? I fix it.
Lo. No.
Ayun mo. Grandma!
That's your mom.
Jilana, she's gonna customer give you money.
Oh, I don't have money.
Okay, how am I cooking this?
She need to cook there.
Back. I get my money.
Read the direction. The pizza. Oh, she want pizza. Ate don't wants pizza. See. Ala. Ulo. Uy.
Nasabi ko lang eh.
It's not funny kung na.
I have my money.
Ito yung oven eh.
Huwag ka na may nga. Nandiyan din lutuan. Oh. Ulo.
Ano ba yan?
Yung mga customer ko. Ano yung customer? Julana, huwag kang ganyan. Bakit?
High blood yun.
Bakit ganyan na si...
Can I have hot dog?
Hindi pa siya ready.
Do that.
No, they're customer. They don't need to cook.
Yeah, you're the one cooking.
I'll do it.
No, you have to do it.
Oh.
Like how? Give me my plate. No, you're not trying to do it.
Double decker. With onion rings.
Hi, what do you want?
Hi, can I have a hot
So
dog?
she's the customer.
Hi, can I have one hot dog and a beef taco and with ice cream, please?
Baliktad!
Huwag ka
And
na.
can I have some water too, please?
There's no water.
Yes, there is right there.
Oh, that's a milk.
Oh, nagluluto na siya ng hotdog.
Can you read that for me? Distilled water.
Oh, okay. Distilled.
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 I'm sorry. I couldn't see that.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Wow, do you know how you do it?
Oh, you forgot the lettuce.
I never asked for
Yeah,
burger.
it's like that. Then you put the lettuce on the hot dog. No, because it's shaped like it. That's not how you do
Then how pinky up, guys?
It's not flat.
Pinky up.
Look, it's not flat.
Pinky up. Thank you, guys. Thank you, ma'am.
Don't forget your
Teka, basahin mo na sa direction.
You gotta go like this, John. You gotta go like this. There you go.
Masunog yung hotdog mo. Dapat ikaw magluto.
Naguyong data nga tindera.
Walang customer.
Oh, how much do I have to owe you?
Ala, parang si Diwata naman. Ala, Diwata.
There's the
Ititin mo na yung hotdog na luto na siya.